man was fatally shot at a bar in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The police are yet to establish a motive for the killing. The deceased have been identified as 35-year-old Colin Alexander of Carlton Glades in Clarendon. The Independent Commission of Investigation is probing the fatal shooting of a man during a reported confrontation with the police in St. Ann Tuesday morning. The deceased is 27-year-old Shannon Campbell of Rickman Drive in Bamboo in the parish. It is reported that a police team conducted a targeted operation at a house occupied by Campbell about 5:40 a.m. He was fatally shot and a semi-automatic pistol with 6 rounds of ammunition reportedly seized. A man who went to meet with another for the sale of a vehicle was shot and killed in St. James on Monday. He is 42-year-old Robert Harvey, a Jota tour operator of Bogue Hill. It is reported that Harvey made arrangements to meet with a man who was interested in buying a motor vehicle from him. Harvey drove to Garden Crossing in Bogue on Sunday afternoon to meet with the man. While at the location, a motor vehicle with 2 men drove up. The men reportedly exited the vehicle and opened fire, hitting Harvey, who was sitting inside his motor vehicle, multiple times. The police were called to the scene and Harvey was assisted to the hospital. He later died. A man believed to be of unsound mind was shot and injured after he allegedly attacked members of the police party along Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine on Tuesday afternoon. It is reported that about 12:20 p.m. the police received reports that a man armed with a machete and scissors was attacking residents in the vicinity of the Jacaranda housing scheme. The police drove to the scene and spotted the man and advised him to drop the weapons. He then reportedly attacked the police party and was shot and injured by the cops. He was rushed to the hospital where he was admitted. 3 16-year-old boys are to face the court following the seizure of 2 firearms in Monza, Portmore, St. Catherine on May 11. The Portmore police said that about 6:20 p.m. a team of officers conducted an operation in the area when the 3 boys were seen acting in a manner that aroused their suspicion. They were accosted and searched, and 2 imitation firearms were allegedly found in their possession. They were arrested and subsequently charged with possession of a prohibited weapon after being questioned in the presence of their attorney. Their court dates are being finalized.